Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your pulley set, your jockey wheels on your mountain bike, and this also applies for road bikes. So enjoy, and don't forget to like, share or comment my video. Thank you. Today I'm gonna change the pulley set on my mountain bike, also called the jockey wheels. And for that purpose I'm gonna take the rear wheel off, and I also have to replace my chain today, so it will be without the rear wheel and the chain on. And there's this space tubular in the center that can move back and forth, so be careful not losing that too. And to remove the jockey wheel for my mountain bike, I can use this 3mm hex key, Allen key, to remove the screw, turning anti-clockwise. And be careful you're not losing any of the parts. And it drops right out. And you can see this old jockey wheel compared to the new one. Big difference. And now the jockey wheel on the inner side. Turning anti-clockwise. And be careful you're not losing the screw, you're gonna reuse that. And this bracket will come loose. And after I have removed this, I will clean the area. Whoops. There you go. And be sure you're not losing the screw. And I'm gonna use some WD-40 to clean up the area and put a bucket underneath. And let it soak for some minutes. Let's put the new jockey wheel on. Put the screw through the bracket and through the jockey wheel, and be aware of these two discs on both sides. And mount it right here. And I'm gonna get my hex key. And just tighten it very loosely, not hard. It runs smoothly. And let's get the other jockey wheel. And the second jockey wheel. Same procedure. And it's running very good, very smoothly. Okay, now you can tighten it properly, but not too hard. Yes, running very good. Running perfectly. And tighten this side. Running very smoothly also. So time to put the rear wheel on and put the new chain on. Okay, that's it. Job is done. 2 new jockey wheels and a new chain replaced, and everything is running smoothly. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it.